Hi everyone, and welcome to our home this fall season 2018. This is how I decorated our little home. As you can see, very simple and not really a lot going on. Here is the entrance to our living room. This is the table that I have on the entryway. This is right next to the door, and these pumpkins were picked up from Goodwill. On this tray I just have some pumpkins, and the picture frame came from Ross. I just added some of the leaves that you see there just to give it a fall look. And the hello sign came from Target, I believe. These basket I bought at Home Goods, and I just added a pumpkin that I had and added some leaves that I also had around. These branches are from the Dollar Tree. They are two different ones put together, and I love the way it looks. On the other side of our entryway, you'll find this piece of furniture. I inherited from my grandma, and basically I just added the thankful pumpkin in there and some lights. The pillow that you see here in the middle that says grateful was purchased at Burlington, as well as this one that says thankful. And the pumpkins that you see here on top of these candle holders are from the Dollar Tree. Moving on to our little dining area, this is what I have. On the wall, I have these, which I just added the fall sign, the blessed pumpkin, this little sign that I had from last year with pumpkins, as well as this tray that I got at Ross not too long ago. On our dining table, I just added some of these leaves from the Dollar Tree, and a garland also from the Dollar Tree, as well as some pumpkins that I had already in the house. And this was not my idea, it was Brittany's idea from YouTube. She has a great channel that I suggest you go watch right now. As soon as you watch my video, I'm gonna link her channel down below for you to go and see. This bigger pumpkin that you see in the middle with the candle inside came from the Goodwill. This is our little kitchen. There's not really a lot of space here, but I managed to add this sign that I got at Burlington and this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. It's a very small area, so I did not want to put a lot of stuff in it. Basically I added these pumpkins to this bowl that we normally have here. These I put together with a cake platter I already had. I just added a burlap bowl under it and added this letter A sign that I purchased at Goodwill. The little pumpkins were picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the big one from Marshall's last year. And I added some leaves under the little pumpkins as well. And this is our family room. This is where we watch TV most nights. We decorated this space very simple because we use this a lot, so I did not want to have to move stuff around. So we just added these pumpkins right here on the side of the couch. On top of our TV shelf, you'll see these candle holders. They came from the Goodwill last year. The family sign came from Target. These I'm thankful for sign, super cute sign, came from the Dollar Tree. And the flower arrangements are also from the Dollar Tree. The pumpkins that you see in the middle I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year. And the ones that you see on top of the candle holders are the same that I used on the living area, also from the Dollar Tree. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you have a great and blessed day. Thank you.